Classify Anything AI has just been released, and today we're going to dive into 7 crucial things you need to know about this game-changing AI software. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of why this tool is getting so much buzz. And before we start, you can try Classify Anything AI completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Now, let's break it down. What makes Classify Anything AI stand out is its versatility. You can classify and organize any kind of data or content, text, images, or even complex files, with minimal effort. This is an incredibly valuable tool if you're dealing with huge datasets or looking to streamline your content management processes. If you've struggled with sorting and tagging files, this software will save you hours of manual work. And no, it's not just about classifying. It learns and adapts to your unique needs the more you use it. One of the biggest selling points is its accuracy. If you're looking for AI that can handle large, complicated classifications with precision, Classify Anything AI delivers. Unlike older systems that often require constant human intervention to correct mistakes, this software learns from your inputs and continues to improve over time. It uses sophisticated algorithms to understand the context of your data and categorize it accordingly, which means fewer errors and faster results. Another thing you need to know is its simplicity. Classify Anything AI doesn't require you to be a tech expert. You don't have to spend hours setting it up or learning complicated commands. The user interface is designed to be intuitive, so you can hit the ground running as soon as you log in. This is huge if you're someone who values both ease of use and power under the hood. The integration capabilities are also impressive. You can easily link Classify Anything AI with other tools you're already using, from CRMs to marketing platforms, making it a seamless part of your existing workflows. It even connects to popular cloud storage services, which means it doesn't matter where your data is located. This tool can access and organize it all in one place. Now, let's talk about scalability. Whether you're a freelancer with a small client base or a large business managing thousands of pieces of data, this software scales up effortlessly. As your needs grow, so does its capacity to handle more complex tasks without losing performance. It's designed to be as efficient with a small set of data as it is with a massive one. Another key feature of Classify Anything AI is its customizability. You can tailor it to your specific business requirements, making it ideal for anyone from marketers to project managers to e-commerce operators. If you needed to classify data in a very specific way, you can easily adjust settings to match your preferences. And while you can classify content automatically, there's also a manual classification option for those who want a little more control. This flexibility is essential for businesses or individuals who need a balance between automation and precision. Now, for those of you who might be thinking, is this really worth my time? Yes, it absolutely is. I've tested countless AI tools, and Classify Anything AI stands out because it's not just another generic tool. It's purpose-built to streamline your operations and save you time and effort, which ultimately impacts your bottom line. If you're interested in giving Classify Anything AI a try, don't forget to check out the first link in the description to start using it for free. I've personally tested thousands of AI tools, and this one made my list of top recommendations. There are also a few other AI software options in the description that I recommend, so be sure to check them out as well. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore all the amazing tools I've linked for you below.